Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout, and the background is Pretty Little Studio Indian Summer called Comfy Sweater. And I apologize, I've got a cough. That tree pattern is from Pink Paisley's Paige Evans Truly Grateful number 7. And then I have a tag that I cut using a stencil. Sorry. My photo mat, the strips, the banner, and the tag are all cut from scraps. Well, my strips are actually the branding strips cut from the bottom of the papers. They have a pattern on the opposite, on the reverse side, so I use that. They work good for borders. Oh boy. Good lordies. Oh boy, oh boy. Alrighty. My video is moving very slow. Alright. So I'm just working with my scraps. My computer's not wanting to cooperate. Guess it's still half sleeping. Because everything's moving really slow. It's like it's paused. I'm in extreme slow motion. Alright. So I have a coral layer under my photo mat and then a blue layer, and those are basil cardstock. Oh, I think Theo's trying to get in. Let me go let him in. Alright. Let's try this again, even though it just kind of sits there, so I apologize. It's acting up, I don't know why. Guess it's time for a new laptop. Good night. So alright, so I'm not sure what I'm about to do since it's moving so slow. So this is where I'm Theo. I apologize for my coughing and stuff. Alright, so now I'm putting down the die cuts, and those are um, Hip Kit Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up. I use the die cuts, I use chipboard stickers, I'm going to use the acetate die cuts, and then the stickers, which you see me using the stickers right now. And this is Mateo at the playground that I took him to. I had a student last year who he didn't have friends in the trailer park they lived in. They picked on him really bad, so he became an angry little boy and started, he'd get upset at times and just go to throwing stuff in my room. So I decided, asked his mom if we could meet at a park some weekend and have Mateo play with him and give him a friend, and maybe that will help. And it did and didn't. We continue to be friends. I meet up and have play dates and whatnot. So, and yeah, so it gave him a friend and made him feel wanted, appreciated. So I call Mateo my therapy child. Because he's got a good heart, and so I knew that he would get along with him and play with him and give him that friend he so wanted that he didn't get where he lived. Which 95% of our behaviors that we have at school come from that trailer park. So it's not good. So, but thank goodness they moved out, so out of that area. So, just putting down my die cuts, I think, because my video isn't moving. It's just kind of all sitting there. Alright, so I don't know what's going on with my computer. It shows it not doing anything, nothing moves, but yet when I hit stop record, the audio's there. So I don't know. I restarted my computer, defragged it, cleaned it. I have no idea. Frustrating. Anyway, so I'll just go ahead and go through the rest of the layout with it standing still. For my title, I already told you what where the stickers, the die cuts, and so forth came from. So my title, it's titled My Magical Place, and so my is from the Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up exclusive puffy phrase stickers. Magical is American Crafts Patio Party stickers, and Place is Hip Kit Club's puffy alphabet stickers. It's exclusive to their kids. And then that is all I used for this layout. So once I can get my computer to cooperate, I will be back with more. Thanks for watching, guys, and sorry for all the little mishaps. So anyway.